Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we're gonna see the last seen feature on Instagram, also known as activity status. Shows when you were last active on the platform. While it can be useful for staying connected, you might prefer to keep your activity private. Fortunately, Instagram allows you to turn off this feature with just a few steps. So let's follow these few steps together. The first step is to open the Instagram app and log into your account. Let's go to Instagram. As you can see, I'm already logged into my account. And if you want to log in your account, you just enter your account credentials. After that, tap on your profile icon in the right corner of the screen. And then in your profile, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu right here. From the menu, go to the bottom and select settings and privacy. We're gonna look for the settings and privacy. You might miss it. See settings. We're gonna search for it in the search bar. Privacy center. Let's go here. Let's preview the settings. Let's go here. Or we're just gonna do something alternate. Let's search for activity status. Right here, click on activity status right here. And toggle this option and choose whether you want to show your activity status, which allows accounts you follow and anyone you message to see when you were last active or currently active on Instagram. When it's turned off, you won't be able to see the activity status of other accounts. You can toggle on or off the activity status, and that's it. For additional tips, turning off your activity status will also disable your ability to see when others were last active. And if you're losing linked accounts like Facebook, Messenger, make sure to adjust settings there too for consistent privacy. And for conclusion, by following these steps, you can easily take control of your online visibility and keep your activity private. This setting is particularly useful if you want to focus on your content without feeling pressure to respond to messages immediately. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.